everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a flip through of my newest digital junk journal kit. It's called A Study in Lavender, and it's got lavender, but it's mostly lavender color. There's butterflies, there's roses, there's lilies, carnations. I think there's a little bit of everything in here. So let's get to it. I have printed these out double-sided for the journal that I'm going to be making. It is kind of grungy, so I will show you both sides. I do not know what order these are in, but there's some of the pages, and lots of journaling space, lots of little places to write. And I did have some issues with my printer, so this one needs to be reprinted, but I tried to fix it with some ink, but that's not going to work. Just really cool. I like how they turned out, but mostly what you're missing here is the grunge because I ran out of yellow ink. So I'm going to pull that out so I can reprint that one. And yeah, the lilies are just so cool. Here we go. Not much to say. Just I really like how it came out, and yeah, very much like what I had intended in my mind. You know, it's always good when you can get on paper what is in your brain. So yeah, really I'm looking forward to working with this collection. So a lot of fun. I'm not usually a lavender girl, but I wanted to do something a little bit different, and this is what I came up with. Okay, so then there are 16 journal pages, and then there are 4 backgrounds. I have a dark and a light for 4 different patterns, which equals 8. So this one has a little damask pattern on it. These are not double-sided. I love this. It almost came out like 3-dimensional. Here's the darker version of the damask. And oh, they are double-sided. Sorry. There's the darker version of the floral, the lighter version. Yes, I did print them back to back. I was going to do a dark and a light, and then my printer got off on collating, so yeah. Anyway, cool backgrounds. And then, what is this? This is upside down. Okay, well, not all of it's upside down, only part of it. Let me turn this around. Whenever I do these things, I always feel like a dingbat. These are pockets. I've got 2 pages of each type. So I've got 2 pages of pockets, and those are fun. I really like those. And then I've got, these are my medium-sized tags. I went ahead and did the light because I figured I might choose to use this side once I cut it out. I might choose to decorate this side instead of this side, and that gives me more options. I printed everything on my other new kit, which is Coffee, Tea, and Lace. And both of these collections are in my Etsy store now. I've already uploaded them. They're there and ready for you to download. I've got 2 pages of the small tags and some circles ready to punch. I really love this one right here. Then we've got another page of medium tags. I don't know how these got all out of order, but that's okay. Some journal cards. These are horizontal journal cards. You know what? I think I dropped these. I think that's how they got all messed up. I think I dropped them and never put them back in order. More horizontal. And then we've got some large tags with some extra strips and semicircles and things. These are always good for tickets or belly bands or what have you. Love this one. So cool. Actually, I love them both. The more I look at it, the more I like it. And then these I've done on cardstock. This could be used as a journal page, but I've done it on cardstock so that I could do kind of a fussy tear kind of thing. Here's a fussy cut page. It looks like it loaded in the printer a little wonky, but I think I can make it work. And here's another fussy tear page. And I have printed these on 110-pound cardstock and did coffee or tea stain on the back. And here's some vertical journal cards for fussy tearing. And here's another page of journal cards for fussy tearing. And then I've got a couple of envelopes that I have done the coffee/tea dye on the back, and that way I figured I could cut this out. This could be the inside of the envelope or the outside of the envelope, whichever works. Same thing here. And then for this journal, I thought I would use one of my little Amazon bags. So anyway, that is my Study in Lavender journal kit. I hope you like it, and I hope you go grab it in my Etsy store. The link will be in the description box. See you next time. Bye now.